We're out here with the LT1000 today. I'm doing 3 lawns with this thing today. I'm doing our lawn and 2 of the neighbors' lawns. And using the bagging system, this is what happens when you do, pretty much what you get when you do 3 lawns with this thing. I've been back and forth emptying this thing constantly, but we're gonna go chop up some leaves in the neighbor's yard and show you guys this thing in action. When that thing stops spinning, the bins are full. See what we got. Oh yeah. You got that? And then after I empty the one thing with the bagging system, the one problem that I do have with it is that even after you empty the bins, the thing still, you actually have to disconnect this thing right here. See if I can do this with one hand. And this actually gets clogged up. So you have to reach down in there and pull all this crap out just to unclog the bagging system, and then plus empty the bins. So it's kind of an inconvenience, but I've gotten kind of used to doing it. But here you guys go. There's a little bit of leaf chopping with the Craftsman LT1000.